Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says f of x equals to this is odd or even function. You know that for odd or even function, we used to find out f of minus x. So, we will replace x with minus x. So, we got cos 5 power minus x plus, sorry, 5 power x upon 5 power x plus 5 power minus x. If you will observe the denominator is coming out to be same. We have to rearrange the numerator. For that I have to take minus common. So we got cos minus of 5 power x minus 5 power minus x upon 5 power minus x plus 5 power x. So this is the thing. Now, you know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. How? Can I write down cos minus theta as 0 minus theta? 0 minus theta means what? We will use this line, and this line is no change. No change means answer will be cos theta, and you will fall in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant your question cos is positive. That's why cos of minus theta is cos theta. So can I write down this thing as cos of 5 power x minus 5 power minus x upon 5 power x plus 5 power minus x, which is nothing but f of x. This means f of minus x is coming out to be equal to f of x. Hence, it is even function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.